Host, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest stock market updates. Today, we're diving deep into AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, a stock that's been making waves for quite some time. Let's break down what's been happening with AMC and what you need to know. Host, AMC, the movie theater chain, has been one of the most talked about stocks in recent years, especially since the infamous meme stock surge. If you're holding AMC shares or considering investing, here's what you should know. Host, first, let's look at AMC's recent performance. Over the past year, AMC has experienced significant volatility. The stock saw a massive spike in early 2021 driven by retail investors and social media hype, followed by a series of ups and downs. Host, despite the roller coaster ride, AMC has been making efforts to stabilize its business. The company has been focusing on enhancing its customer experience by investing in new technologies and renovating its theaters. They're also exploring new revenue streams, including partnerships and possibly even content production. Host, however, it's not all smooth sailing. AMC faces several challenges. The movie industry continues to face uncertainties, with fluctuating box office numbers and changing consumer habits. Additionally, AMC has a considerable amount of debt, which could impact its financial stability. Host, one major factor influencing AMC stock is the community of retail investors, often referred to as the apes. This group has played a crucial role in driving AMC's stock price. While their enthusiasm has contributed to some incredible gains, it's also created a volatile trading environment. Host, if you're considering investing in AMC, it's essential to weigh the potential rewards against the risks. Keep an eye on broader market trends, the company's financial health, and any new developments in the movie industry. And remember, investing always carries risks, so make sure to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. Host, that's it for today's deep dive into AMC stock. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts on AMC. Are you an investor or thinking about jumping in? Let's talk about it. 223333333